Welcome to the Missouri Ethics Commission's Reporting, Contributions, and Loans tutorial series. This video will demonstrate how to complete the Loans Received form. Upon logging into the Campaign Finance electronic filing system, you will be taken to the Report menu. Step 2 on the Report menu is where you will enter any contributions and loans received by your committee during the reporting period. If your committee received any loans during the reporting period, you must complete the Loans Received form. This section discloses the details of any loans received by your committee, even if from the candidate, and provides additional details for loans received in excess of $100. If your committee did not receive any loans during the reporting period, simply check the None This Period box. If you must disclose a loan received, select Add Edit to begin. Complete the required information, including the name of the lender, the lender's address, the date the loan was received, the amount of the loan, and the loan ID, if applicable. If the amount of the loan is over $100, you must also disclose the annual rate of interest for the loan, or if no interest rate applies, enter NA. The time period of the loan, or if no period exists, enter None. And a brief description of the repayment schedule. If no repayment schedule is specified, enter None. Select Continue to proceed. For loans over $100, you must enter the name and address of the person responsible for the loan. Select Save to drop the information into the grid at the bottom of the screen. If you have no other information to enter, select Continue. Make sure to keep a copy of written documentation for each loan outlining its terms in your record keeping. Remember, loans received will also increase your indebtedness total. Select Report menu to proceed to the next form. This concludes our Loans Received form tutorial. Thank you for watching. Now stay tuned for Part 4, where we will demonstrate how to complete the Miscellaneous Receipts form.